Hi, welcome to YOUCANIC. Today I'm going to be talking about how to do the soft reset and the hard reset for the Tesla Model 3. The soft reset, it will just clear the screen and the computer will just reboot. The hard reset, if you have any warning lights or sensors or anything that are off, the hard reset will reset all of that. So the soft reset, for that you just press the two knobs on the steering wheel, you just hold them down for about 10 seconds and then the screen will go black. You give it about 30 seconds to a minute and you'll see the Tesla T light up and then the screen will start rebooting again. So let's just give it a minute to also to mention, you should be in park and you should be in park when you go to do the resets. The soft reset, you can still switch gears and stuff while you're in it, but again, I just recommend being in park and not driving while resetting, because the computer, the screen shows you your speed limits and navigation and everything, so it's good to not do it while driving. So that was the soft reset, just by pressing the buttons on the steering wheel. The next is the hard reset. To do this, you press down on the brake while in park and hold the steering wheel knobs again. You hold them down, the screen will go black. You keep holding everything down until you see the Tesla T light up on the screen again. This will take 30 seconds to a minute, so you just keep holding it down and eventually it'll come up on the screen. Maybe. And there it goes. And then after that you can let off of everything and it'll completely reboot. So that's how to do the hard reset and the soft reset for a Tesla Model 3. Thanks for watching.